Morning everybody. This morning's an exciting morning. I have eventually booked myself onto a cookery class. I'm just waiting for my transport to come and pick me up. I've nipped down to get a quick cup of coffee and literally he should be here within the next 5 minutes. So it's an all-day event and I will be cooking 7 different dishes. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm so glad that I've waited until I've got to Chiang Mai to do this. Arrived at the cookery school. We've now got to choose what it is that we want to cook. We're now going off to the cookery school garden to go and find some fresh ingredients.
Do you know chai? You have chai, right? This one, Thai eggplant. The medium one here is crunchy and sweet.
We're headed off to the local market now.
For today's class, this one tamarind sauce. This one for your pad thai sauce as well, right? Yes, this is palm sugar. Chili paste here is not too spicy, actually. The taste more sweet, and this fish sauce and soy sauce we use both the same, okay, for salty flavor. One small rice noodle for pad thai, and this one we call miang kham or Thai local snack. Yes, this one is quite hard to find in nowadays. Okay, it's like a traditional snack or like an old culture, something like that. And this one long time ago we use it for serve to the guests who visit our house to welcome them. Alright, so today you are my guest as well. I would like to serve this menu to welcome all of you.
Right, fold the leaf. And then put one of everything in. Oops. 1, 2, 3, peanut. Bit of that. And a bit of sweet on the top.
Today you are in Thailand. You have to say in Thai words as well. Can you say Chok Di?
Chok Di.
Chok Di. C-H.
Chok Di.
Touch it first and then pick up the skin.
It's strong.
Yeah, that's strong. You have to bake. Yeah, that's right. And ready to chop everything. Okay, be careful with your finger. Alright. And this is tamarind, and this is palm sugar. Just count.
It's like 200 ml.
Only
tamarind
yeah,
sauce with water or just tamarind?
Just tamarind sauce. Just tamarind sauce.
Tamarind.
Yes. 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright. And right now everybody is going to get on tonight and add oil in. So they get on tonight and then add oil in. Yeah, and then keep stirring.
can't believe it. I've made my first Thai dish. Oh wow! Cooking off the garlic until you can smell the smell of garlic, and then you add the tofu, and now all the vegetables go in together.
Glass little on top, and then time to add seasoning in sugar, soya, and mushrooms. Oh, mushroom, yes. And you mix everything together. Half a cup. Alright. Maybe not. Okay, this one made from this flour. You have to deep fry it first before you eat it. Can you feel anything on the paper? Yes, rough side. Rough side and smooth side. Rough side up and first, and then you add the sprinkle filling on your paper. And make it long like this first, rolling it until halfway of paper. You fold the paper in, and then you roll it 1 or 2 times first, and then keep rolling it all the way. That's it. Alright, that's it for the sprinkle. Very easy, right?
Here we go. Let's try more.
Thai curry paste. Okay, you see here, mostly every curry paste. I have to say that every curry paste mostly we use the same ingredients. Okay, especially green and red and Penang and Khao Soi, we use the same, based from the same ingredients, different just chilies. Red one, you see, this is red curry. We use red chili and dry one, the dry red chili. But we boil it first around 10 minutes to make it more soft, more easy when you smash them, alright? But if you want to cook green, you change the chili there, change the red chili to green chilies. You will get green chili. That's it. Okay? The fresh one. And if you want to cook Khao Soi today, you make red first, and then you add curry powder. You get Khao Soi. If you want to make Khao Soi and you want to make Penang, you make red first again, add peanut in, smash them together, you will get. That's very easy. Yeah, that's it. So let's see the ingredient that we use for make curry paste. This one, lemongrass, and then Thai ginseng, or finger root, curcuma, the pepper lime skin, Thai ginger, galangal, this one garlic, orange, and red onion. And that seeds, you see that seeds, coriander seeds. That's it.
Coriander.
Yes, that's it for make curry paste. Very easy, right? Okay, that's enough. Something small like this, alright. You have to make it small like this. If you make it small like this, you will take around just like 15 to 20 minutes.
That's the yellow. And you add the peanuts for the Penang curry.
Yes.
So could you freeze it in little bits?
Sure.
Yeah.
Right. 3 months.
About 3 months.
3 months. Yeah.
If it was frozen or fresh.
In fresh.
Yeah?
Yeah, you have to fresh it with the oil.
With the oil.
With the oil, top like that, and then you keep in fresh like that.
Ah, okay.
And,
This one is the red curry paste, and this one's had peanuts added to it, and that's for the Penang curry.
Okay, and then add coconut milk in. Coconut milk, 2 teaspoons. Then add a big spoon. Add 2 teaspoons. And then this spoon. And then add curry paste and mix them together.
The chicken?
Yeah, chicken. And right now, okay, if the chicken turns to white color, add all the peanuts. Just all of it. Yeah, all of it. All of the coconut milk, yes, all of the coconut milk. Okay, so right now, everybody, you know, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. If it's too spicy, you can. Okay, how are you? Yeah, it's good. It's good right now. Okay, if it's good, send it back tonight again. If it's good, send it back tonight. But a red curry, you have to make it more creamy. Okay, yours done. So now put it on the plates. Are you curry? Alright. But then don't forget this one. Bring it back to chicken broth. Yeah, chicken broth. Chicken.
I have shrimp.
Alright, so right now I'm gonna get one shrimp right.
Yes.
Okay, what is mine?
Everything else?
Yes. And then
It's looking good. This one?
that one.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
And half of brown sugar.
Yes, and don't forget my tom yum seafood to base. Add shrimp.
Add shrimp?
Don't put the shrimp. Take it one time.
Oh.
It's like under the shrimp, then it has like the liquid from. Okay, set it pretty well. Okay, pretty well right now. And okay, if you finish, leave it on the table again. And the last one is finished. Basically, now is the last one.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Can you actually believe that I have cooked everything apart from the rice?
So we need both together. And we need more crispy. This one needs water. Just water. Water.
Like this?
Okay. Nice, isn't it? Okay. Make it like more crispy. A small slice. Last step, bring it to deep fry. So if you put like this small. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Oh my word. Fried banana. It's my favourite.
And this one you can use right now.
The absolute best fried banana I've ever eaten. The cookery course, they give you a book as well, which includes all the different things that you've cooked throughout the day. What's this one's name?